Nvidia's Magic3d can create 3D models based on a text input. It's reported to produce higher quality models than Google's Dream Fusion, which was introduced in September. Like Dream Fusion, Magic3d has an image generation model that uses text to create images and 3D models from different perspectives. Nvidia's research team used their own in-house image model eDiffy for this. The advantage of using the AI model to generate images first means it does not have to rely on a scarce number of 3D models to be trained. Nvidia's Magic3d uses the eDiffy diffusion model to generate low-resolution images based on text, which are then processed into an initial 3D representation by Nvidia's Instant NGP framework. It then takes this simple NGP representation and uses the DMTET AI model to extract a higher quality 3D mesh. This is then used as a template for more 2D images, which are upscaled and then used to further optimize the 3D mesh. This produces a 3D model with a resolution of 512 by 512 pixels, which can then be imported into standard 3D modeling software. According to Nvidia, Magic3d produces 3D models at 8 times the resolution of Dream Fusion in about half the time, quoting 40 minutes instead of the average 1.5 hours. Along with the research paper, their video shows the creation process of 3D model comparisons with Dream Fusion. According to initial tests, 61% of users preferred Magic3d models over Dream Fusion's 3D models. Magic3d also offers editing functions that image AI apps have, but applies them to the 3D generation process. For instance, once your initial image is created, you can change the text prompt for different results. For example, a bunny sitting on top of a stack of pancakes can become a bunny sitting on top of a stack of broccoli. Magic3d also uses Dream Booth to transfer the style of a conditioning image to the final 3D model. Nvidia's research team is hoping Magic3d can democratize 3D synthesis and encourage creativity in 3D content creation. It could be integral to the fast generation of 3D game assets and used in 3D printing to create real-world objects from a mere sentence.